Yes, you can take the question.
Sir, please record GR there are.
Okay, so guys, he is Amar Kumar Paswan and he is very curious, he is very keen to know that how can we build a sentence without subject. Yes guys, I repeat again, how can we build the sentence without subject, and it's possible via there are, this is the GR. Is that clear? This is there are via GR. Guys, really it's possible. We can build the sentence with there are. If you want to use as a subject, then it may be possible. How? I tell you. Guys, if you want to build the sentence according to present time with the plural nouns, then it will be possible. For example, girls. Is that clear? Girls. There are girls. Boys. There are boys. Teachers. Is that clear? Teachers. There are teachers. Is that clear? Ladies. There are ladies. Books. There are books. Pens. There are pens. Rooms. There are rooms. So guys, you are looking that in all examples we are using there are. Why? Because according to present time, and second according to plural nouns. So guys, if you like this GR, then you can follow us 8 our social media handles. And guys, if you want to archive more English tricky video, then you can visit us 8 our social media website, which is whose your link is www.nvea.in. And guys, you can contact 8 our helpline number, which is 09414008310. Thank you so much guys. All the best.
Thank you.